Sound vocabulary in English. Fizz. The bubbles in a liquid and the sound they make. Gurgle, a bubbling sound like water flowing over an uneven surface. Drip. The sound of liquid falling in drops. Patters. A light tapping sound. Revs. To accelerate sharply the speed of an engine. Honks. A short, loud sound made by a car horn or a goose. Rings. Clear resonant sound made by or resembling that made by vibrating metal. Blares. To make a loud and usually unpleasant sound. Screech. To make a piercing, high-pitched sound. Squeal. To make a long, very high sound or cry, sudden break. Slams. To move against a hard surface with force and usually a loud noise. Wails. A mournful cry or sound, ambulance sound. Rumbles. A continuous deep, resonant sound, such as the sound made by heavy vehicles or thunder. Rustle. Soft sounds, as of parts rubbing gently one on another, as leaves, silks, or papers. Squelch. The sound of walking in deep wet mud. Splash. To make someone or something wet by making water. Howls. Blowing hard and making a lot of noise. Ticks. The regular short sound that a watch or clock makes when it is working. Creaks. To make the noise of wood bending or of something not moving smoothly. Squeaks. A short high noise that is not very loud. Jingle. A ringing sound like small bells, made by metal objects gently hitting each other. Flip. To turn something over by quick movement. Scrape. The act of rubbing against a surface. Buzz. Making a whirring sound, like a buzzing bee. Clank. A loud sound like pieces of metal hitting each other. Clatter. To make a loud, rattling sound, as that produced by hard objects striking rapidly. Crackle. A series of slight sharp noises, as of paper being crushed or of a wood fire burning. Flutter. To move or make something move quickly and lightly, especially through the air. Ripple. A small wave or a slight movement of a surface, especially the surface of water. Purr. A continuous sound produced as the cat breathes in and out, and which goes on for several minutes. Tinkle. To give forth or make a succession of short, light, ringing sounds, as a small bell, tinkle of breaking glass. Swash. A turbulent layer of water that washes up on the beach after an incoming wave has broken. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.